Coffs Harbour, just leaving. About 9:30. Mark's me bitch, filling up my bike for me. Nice bikes. Mark's just tweaking his bike so it can keep up with mine.
Oh, what a load of crap. I'm letting the tyres down so he can keep up with me.
Dog Creek, car coming. Mark having a piss. Always the way. You'll be on Farmer once a while. Oh, it's unreal.
How come you're so relaxed? You just give them an injection or something?
All the wool in there.
Yeah, I don't want to make a mess of the poor little lamb.
So yeah, we've stopped here at Tingha.
Lesson number 15 in the book, don't let your mate fix anything on your bike because he leaves the battery disconnected and your bike won't start.
Well, we're hoping that's what it is. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. So we found the problem. I didn't do the battery terminal up.
Ken forgot to do the battery terminal up on his last expedition. He tried to destroy my bike so I couldn't keep up with it.
Yeah, and the worst part was all the nuts and bolts and screws were in the bottom of the bloody backpack, so I've had to empty everything out. But we're all good for go. Well, I hope. Have you checked it yet? And is there light? And there is light.
Yeah.
We're on fire.
Well,
thank God.
Not,
No, we won't be staying at Tingha. Woo! Here we are, end of day one at INVERELLE. Done about 282 k's. Stopped around and mucked around a fair bit today. Mark had that problem with his bike, so yeah. Oops, all good. Day two, left INVERELLE this morning, going through Bingara now, then back through Warialda, and then we'll head off to Moree. Just take a few pictures. Mark's on his phone to his old girl, beautiful lady, and it's all good, beautiful day to ride. Here in the thermal pools in Moree, stopping lunchtime second day, a couple of spas over there, a couple of neck massaging thingies, jets everywhere, and that water's 40 degrees today, and the little pool over there is 13, so the idea is to get in here and then get into the cold pool, close up your pores, and by Christ it's freezing, absolutely freezing as. But absolutely beautiful here today. Just at the Victoria pub in Moree. We're going to Narrabri, but we're going out to Lightning Ridge now. This is day two, about 2 o'clock, so hopefully we'll get there by about 6. Then Narrabri tomorrow. All good, bike's going well. Countryside out here is pretty flat. Lots of trees and lots of yellow weed. Very pretty, but not for me. And here comes Mark. What noise is that? Like a freaking jet. As I was saying before, these bugs, that's about 50 k's, 80 k's of bugs. And the bike's just as bad. Just stopping for a cup of coffee, 3 o'clock on the second day, or thereabouts. Absolutely middle of nowhere.
Listen to the birds singing.
Better than you.
Beautiful, beautiful.
About 10 k's out of Collarenebri. Collarenebri. Just doing our...
Cleaning the debugging system.
Yeah, debugging. We've only done about 30 k's since the last time we stopped the probably won't clean the bikes till we get back, but It's just amazing. Can't believe how many bugs there are out here. All good. About 5 k's out of Lightning Ridge. This is the end of the second day. Just watching the sun go down. It's about 5 o'clock. Just taking a couple of pictures.
Been told to follow the green car door.
Oh, nice.
Into our motel.
Yeah, motel's up there somewhere, so we're excited and scared.
And Stan lives up there.
Yeah, Stan lives up there. Started day 3 leaving Lightning Ridge, just warming the bikes up. Beautiful day, about 7:30, so we're off to Narrabri, then hopefully back up to Goondiwindi in Queensland.